Hello Lord of the Rings and Hobbit fans, welcome back to another video. Today I want to show you my final three mini epics that I have. It's Aragorn, Boromir, and Gimli. I hope you guys enjoy this quick little video. Let's get right into it. And I'm going to show you Boromir first. As you can see, he is holding the Horn of Gondor, which is the heirloom of the Stewards of Gondor. And yeah, so this is another cool piece. I love his outfit in this. It is outstanding. As you can see, he's holding his sword there. Very, very cool piece. I like this one. Here we'll get up close to the Horn of Gondor there. And again, wearing the cloak, which Galadriel gave to the Nine there, except for I think Gandalf, as he wasn't there at that time. Such a cool piece. And I'll show you. Just like that. Very cool. And then the Lothlorien leaf. Such a cool piece. And that's Boromir. And here is Gimli holding his battle axe. He's a cool piece. I like his chainmail there. I like his sleeves. Like, look at this battle axe. That is so cool. And the robe again. And battle axe on the other side. And he has quite a bit of weight to him too, as well. I like his beard. I like the clothes. That is just so cool. And then close up here. And look on top here. This is cool. His battle axe, his handle. Very cool piece. And that's Gimli. And this is Aragorn. He is the one of the Dunedain. He is the last one in the line, and he is blessed with long life. And I will show you him here. Such a cool piece. Love his clothes. Weathered and everything. And this is his sword. This is his first sword that he has in the movies. Then his cloak that he got from the elves. And you can see here, his boots all weathered, as if he's been traveling for a long time. Such a cool piece. And that's Aragorn. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a great day, and see you in the next video.